Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and seating the remote on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. First, slide the back cover downward and lift it off. You do this to access the battery compartment and the hidden screws. Once done, remove any batteries and use a small Phillips or tri-point driver depending on model. This removes 2 tiny screws under the cover. Make sure to collect them in a tray so they do not roll away. These steps expose the midframe for the next phase. You now pry the midframe open with a plastic pick, starting at the seam near the bottom edge. Use light, even pressure to prevent cracking. As the halves separate, watch for a small ribbon cable connecting the touch surface to the logic board. Disconnect it by flipping the latch and pulling straight out to avoid tearing. Next, remove the board mounting screws and lift the PCB with the battery sled. This gives access to the IR/Bluetooth module and vibrating components you may need to service or replace. You inspect contacts and components, cleaning corrosion with 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab. This restores conductivity and prevents intermittent faults. Replace any damaged terminals or small components, then set the PCB back into the midframe, reconnect the ribbon cable, and reinstall screws snugly but not over-tighten to avoid stripping. Once assembled, insert batteries and test the remote with your Apple TV. If pairing fails, try fresh batteries and reseating the ribbon cable. Often the simple reconnection resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.